Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I want to do a quick little update for you. Some of you may know because if you've seen my community post. Sorry, I'm still trying to fix the camera. I've been, basically long story short, I've been working a lot of overtime the last few weeks. Like, I think I'm going on this coming weekend will be my 4th week. Yeah, so a lot of hours. Basically, they promoted a guy to another building, so they left his shift wide open. And so they need someone to come in and fill his shift. And they said, hey, are you available? I said, yes. That was the first week. And then the second week, I got a call. Manager says, hey, can you work at this other building? I said, well, I'm already working at that building. And he says, okay, thanks. And, he hangs up, calls back, and says, hey, I got coverage for the other one. Can you go back to the other one? And I said, yes. Ended up working both days, Saturday, Sunday. Then the weekend after that, I had Saturday off, which I was tired and didn't want to go anywhere. I basically just sat home and edited video all day. And then Sunday, I ended up working more overtime. And then I work all this week, and then I work this coming Saturday again. And then Sunday is 4th of July, which I'm spending with my family, because I haven't seen them since COVID started, so it'll be like over a year since I've seen them, so now family takes priority. And then I'm working again both days the weekend after that, so I'm able to get out and do the Fired Up Fridays, which I'm actually going to do right after this, and I'm going to be doing the cooking video. I still have footage at home I can edit. I might be able to just get enough videos set up so I don't have to worry about having a gap in videos. And then as soon as I'm able to get out again, I've actually got still have a list of stuff I haven't gotten to do yet. So there's more I want to do. There's our videos coming, but in case there's a gap, this is why. Just wanted to throw this out there, let everybody know. Along those lines, I hope you all have a safe and happy 4th of July. Don't burn any fingers off or blow any fingers off. And we just actually got over a big heat wave. I don't know if you saw the news, but Seattle area, we were setting record highs. I heard on the radio there was like a bubble of high air pressure. It just rolled over our whole area, and it's just baked us all pretty well. So it's actually pretty overcast today, a lot cooler. So I'm gonna hop on my my Fired Up Friday, which I'm going to shoot right after this, which will be up Friday. So today is Thursday. It's actually Wednesday. I'm shooting the day before, so I'll have it up Thursday. Tomorrow is Fatwood Friday, and then I've got I think 2 more videos for the military pup tent, which will be this weekend. I'm debating if I'm going to upload on Sunday. I probably will, because 4th of July stuff doesn't start till night. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you sticking with the channel. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one. Enjoy your holiday too.